Hello friends, today I am again here with the first chapter of class 9 Beehive book, The Fun They Had. Yesterday we have read till the 4th para, so today we are going to continue with our 5th para. Yesterday we have read in 4th para that Margie's mother had called the for her mechanical teacher. She has called the county inspector to see her Margie's mechanical teacher. So let's read today what was wrong with her mechanical teacher. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." Margie's mother's name was Mrs. Jones. The inspector smiled towards Margie and patted her head. He said to her mother that it's not the little girl's fault. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometime. Means a geography sector was geared. Geared means adjust to a particular standard or level. Was not geared to a standard to a Margie. Means Margie के standard तक वो Margie की level पर वो adjust नहीं हुआ था. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Then he said that I have adjusted the Margie's teacher to the average 10-year level. It was not adjusted to her level. Now I have done it. And Margie's progress is quite satisfactory. And he again patted the Margie's head. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Margie was now disappointed because her teacher was now okay. Nothing is wrong with him. So Margie was hoping that the inspector would take her teacher away. Because once there was a time when Tommy's teacher were taken away for a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. The Tommy's teacher history sector had blanked out completely, so the county inspector had taken the Tommy's teacher with him for a month. So she was hoping that the county inspector would also take her teacher away. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" About school means they were reading the book of about school. In the book it was written about the school. So she asked Tommy why anyone has written about the school in the book. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not a kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Tommy said that to Margie, "That stupid, this is not our kind of school that we have, like a mechanical teacher. This is the school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." He added loftily. Loftily means in a superior way. It's written here, in a superior way. Pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. He said that the school that we have centuries ago, about that school it's written in the book. So we continue with next. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Margie said that I don't know what kind of school they must have about a century ago. Then she again read the book and then said to Tommy, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Tommy replied that they had a teacher. It was a not regular teacher like we have a mechanical regular teacher in our homes. It was a man. Then Maggie asked, "A man? How could a man be a teacher?" "Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions." Tommy told to her that he just told the boys and girls to do the homework and ask them questions. Now we come to seventh para. "A man isn't smart enough." "Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher." Tommy replied, no, sorry, Maggie said, "A man isn't smart enough. That man's not smart enough that he could teach the children." But then Tommy replied that sure he would. "My father is also as much smart as my teacher, as much knowledgeable as my teacher. He knows almost as much as Bacha." Bacha means bet you, I am sure. He said he is almost as much intelligent as my teacher. "I can bet you, Maggie." Then Maggie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, "I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me." She said, "Okay, it would be, but I don't want a strange man that come to my house and teach me." Then Tommy screamed with laughter. "You don't know much, Maggie. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there." Tommy laughed and then said to Maggie that, "Maggie, he is not like a mechanical teacher that remains in our house. He is a man teacher and all the children have to go to him in a special building where, where all the children gathered and study. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age." Tommy also said that all the kids learned the same thing and they were of the same age. "But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently." Then Maggie said that my mother says that a teacher has to be adjusted to the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, according to the kid he teaches. Then Tommy said, "Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book." "I didn't say I didn't like it," Maggie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Maggie's mother called Maggie's school. Margie was now interested in reading that book that was about the school, but they were not half finished to read that book. Margie's mother shouted, "Margie, school." She was calling her for school. Margie looked up. "Not yet, Mama," she said. "Not yet, Mama." "Now," said Mrs. Jones, "and it's probably time for Tommy too." "That it's time for Tommy too and you too." Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" "Maybe," he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing so much interest or enthusiasm, carelessly. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Maggie even went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. Her schoolroom was next to her bedroom. She went into that, and the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. It always on at the same time except Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday, she has a holiday. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The mechanical teacher was on at the same time every day because her mother said if the little girls learn better, girls learn better if they learn at the regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." The mechanical teacher said to Maggie, "Today's lesson is of arithmetic is on the addition of proper and proper fraction. Now please insert the yesterday homework in slot. Maggie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day, as we all do. She was thinking about the book now also. She was not interested in the lessons his mechanical teacher was giving her. She was thinking about the book that they have read, Tommy and Maggie have read. She was also thinking that they had a neighborhood. All the kids from the neighborhood came to the building, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the school, and go home together. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction, half, and 1 by 4. Maggie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Mechanical teacher was teaching her the fractions, how to add fractions, but she was not interested. Hope you have understood the chapter. The chapter was by Isaac Asimov. Interesting chapter it was. If you have liked my video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please leave the comment if you want to solve me your queries. Thank you.